All right, here we're going up the rainforest.
Goody! We are there, Peter.
We're up pretty high.
We're pretty high. We're pretty high now.
Where are we going now to see what are we going to do up here?
Low in the castle. Low in the castle, right, Peter?
Little bamboo over there. Little bamboo.
Water fountain.
Waterfall.
Yeah, big one. A little waterfall. And that's a big one. You will fall down. Right, Dad? High deep hill. It will fall down the wall. A big waterfall. Plunk your head off. Plunk.
What's that?
I'm not talking.
What is that?
Cocoa Falls. Cocoa Falls.
Cocoa Falls.
Dad's talking about Cocoa Falls. That's a big waterfall right there.
That's a huge waterfall.